What if I told you your next Goa trip could pay for your Bali vacation? No cap, this is the affiliate life. No worries, today we are going to talk about top 10 high ticket travel affiliate programs that actually pay you big. Stay till the end for our go-to money maker. Let's understand what's a high ticket travel affiliate program. These affiliate programs pay you per booking, whether it's a flight to Dubai or hotel in Goa or a Disneyland pass in Tokyo. They are called high ticket because the commission value is lit. Now, let's focus on top 10 programs that pay you to travel. On number 10, we have Qatar Airways, which has luxury airline plus global destination. And it pays you up to 1.71% per sale. And the cookie duration is up to 30 days. On number 9, we have Marriott International, which has hotel chain trusted by travelers worldwide. It pays you up to 2.70% with amazing loyalty program. On number 8, we have Expedia US, which has travel plus flights with high AOV, that is average order value, and it pays you up to 5.40% commission. On 7th, we have Make My Trip, that is India's OG platform now with high payouts, and it pays you up to rupees 210 to 252 per travel booking. On number 6, we have GoIbibo, perfect for price-sensitive Indian users, that pays you up to rupees 120 plus commissions on Indian hotels. On number 5, we have Agoda, popular for international homestays plus hotel deals, that pays you up to 3.06%. On number 4, we have Trip.com. This is Singapore-based giant with global users. It pays you commissions across 7 verticals, that is hotels, flights, cabs, and many more. On number 3, we have Hotels.com. Part of the Expedia group equals smooth payouts that pays up to 4.5%. On number 2, we have Expedia, that is India plus global. Massive inventory plus ChatGPT powered travel agent, which pays you up to 4.5%. And lastly, on the top of the list, we have Klook, which has adventures, activities, car rentals, and many more. It pays you up to 4.28%, which also has AI tools for affiliates. Thus, Klook Creators tool helps create content with smart insight. Now, why you should start today? Travel content is lit right now. If you are posting reels, vlogs, shorts, or even WhatsApp updates, you are leaving money on the table if you are not monetizing with affiliate link. You don't need a website, you don't need a huge following. All you need is the right affiliate platform, and that's where Qlinks comes in. One dashboard, one approval, multiple brands. Ready to turn your travel passion into passive income? Click the link in the description and join Qlinks for free. Set up your affiliate links and start earning for your content. If you found this video helpful and if you want to know more about affiliate programs for creators, we will be bringing those more. And if you want to know about previous videos, we have created a playlist just for you, which you can find in the description or in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Qlinks for more such affiliate tips. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.